No?
Pulao, I asked him pulao. How many he will eat? 2 kg chicken already, pulao. And karai, why you want to throw the food?
No, we will not throw. We will take out.
Not allowed to take away.
You can mix it.
How much you eat?
I always take out in Islamabad.
What different?
I'm foreigner. I'm Chinese. They will understand. They say, oh, Chinese. Sabi niya kasi 1 kg. No, a half? No! 2 kg.
One for all of us, one for all.
Mo. Because we are tired and we are hungry. So, yeah.
What pulaw is that?
Kabli.
Too much, mama.
Hindi, sa baba yun, no? Dito ko nagstay sa baba, guys. Pero dyan may hagdan dyan pababa eh. Sa likod nito eh. Tapos dito kami nagkakilala ni Mr. Rai.
Hi there! It's si Francis Candier!
And Kay Toretto.
Samahan nyo kami dahil magta-travel kami together ni Kay Toretto sa Pakistan.
And we need joiners. No more planning and less hassle kasi kami na ang bahala sa itinerary nyo.
Kami nang bahala sa'yo. We know how to navigate
And interact with the locals.
and we are here to make it fun, memorable, and smooth for you.
We designed this trip para sa mga gustong makasamang makatravel kami.
At ma-explore at ma-experience ang beauty and culture ng Pakistan. Pwedeng sumama ang group of friends, solo travelers, lovers, or partners.
Huy! Mag-message na dali at limited slots lang ang makakasama namin ni Francis Candier.
Tara na! Travel with me, Francis Candier!
And Kay Toretto, let's explore the magic of Pakistan.
Wow, sobrang nakakahingal guys. Sabi ko sa'yo kayo, hindi talaga pang mountain eh. May hagdan. So tong area na to, sabi nila is more than 900 years. And babalik lang ako yung ticket ko dito ba 1,650 pag foreigner, tapos 250 pag local. Diba? Sana naghanji-hanji na lang ako.
At sa pagpapatuloy nga be ng ating adventure dito be sa Pakistan, bumiyahe kami mula sa Gilgit papunta dito sa Hunza para bisitahin itong Altit Port. Samahan nyo kami be sa pagpapatuloy ng ating adventure kasama ang aking ate at kanyang mga in-laws dito sa Pakistan. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-like, share at mag-subscribe kung bago sa aking channel. At kung ready ka na, ready na ako. So tara na be, let's go!
Watch your head.
Ilang beses na ako nakarating dito ba sa Pakistan, pero ngayon lang ako dinala ng bayaw ko dito. Ito ba yung Altit Fort? Ito ba yung isa sa pinaka matandang fort sa buong Gilgit-Baltistan? Siguro nasa 1,100 years old na to at dati itong tinirahan ng royal family ng Hunza. Dito ba makikita sa loob nito yung mga wooden architecture na sobrang traditional. Actually nagulat mga kabe kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman na first time lang din makarating dito ng bayaw ko at nung kanyang mga magulang. Kaya naman tinanong niyo ba yung in-laws ng ate ko oh? Sobrang curious din sila kasi itong kwarto na raw to dating kulungan daw. At ang nakaloka pa nga kasi yung ibang locals dito kilala rin nila. At dito nga ba makikita nyo yung napakagandang view ng Tanvir Valley at yung gilid ng Hunza River.
Wow! Sobrang ganda talaga guys ng lugar. Ay grabe yung mga bahay dito oh. As in old style pa. Tignan mo oh.
Dito rin ba sa gilid nito may makikita mo yung mga nakatira. And sabi nila itong lugar na to is protected. Pero pag zoom in mo talaga yung mga bahay, hindi naman talaga siya yung mga lumang-lumang style na kumbaga nirehabilitate na siya.
Actually guys, pati yung bayaw ko First time niya lang din makarating dito. Sabi ko, nakakaloka ka naman. Taga dito ka na lang. Yan ang hirap sa atin. Samantalang ako sa bagay, guys. Hindi pa naman lahat ng lugar sa atin napuntahan ko. So, I understand.
Sobrang nag-enjoy kami lahat, be, at namangha. Kaya naman, syempre, minaximize talaga namin itong lugar para makapag-photoshoot.
Got me feeling the air, and under these autumn leaves, what a breeze.
Babu, katiyan.
Got me shaking and loosening up after all of your summer teas. Pretty please, we don't need to rush ahead or get too mad. Ooh, you persist fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying safe. Oh, oh, we know lovers, we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain.
So, bilis guys ng tour siya natin dito. Tapos na agad.
Syempre, bago kami umalis, sinilipan namin ano pa pwede namin makita sa loob.
Char-char lang to guys. Tapos na eh. Naglipat lang tayo ng location. Para maximus makita natin yung loob. What? Do they cook here? Okay.
Makikita mo dito, be, yung parang sinaunang style talaga. Mula dun sa paraan ng kanilang lutuan, sa architecture ng gusali.
Wow.
Sobrang ganda talaga, be, ng Pakistan.
Grabe guys. Sobrang ganda dito. Medyo nakakalulo sa sobrang taas. Ayun, nakikita niyo ba sobrang taas? I know, a flock of bird. Diba? Ang ganda. Nakita niyo ba yung mga ibon? Wow. Ang sarap papakinggan dito ng tunog ng river. Tapos yung kulay nung river, nung langit, nung bundok, nung green na mga puno, nung mga bato. Ang ganda. This is like a paradise as well. Grabe. Sabi ko nga sa ate ko, ito yung vision ko ng Pakistan. Meron pa silang helipad doon, no? Ayan guys, yung helipad nila dito sa area na to. Tsaka tignan niyo yung ganda ng kalsada na ito. Yung view ng kalsada na yan, yung lugar, oh. Sobrang ganda. Natutuwa ako kasi ang ganda ng design ng mga ano nila, poste nila dito, oh. Mga carves talaga to, carved talaga to. Ito yung dating kusina nila dito, guys. So ito pa yung mga lutuan nila dati, oh. Ah, made of stone? Made of stone or clay ba to? Pang chai.
And then after,
It's like made of copper.
this no, this new, this one.
Not bread, mama. Ay, daw, sabi?
Oh, yun ang pinaka-storage siya ng mga pagkain nila. Fridge na rin.
Ang nakakaloka dito, ang bibigat ng lutuan nila. After mo ka...
Wash this one. How do you wash this one?
It's so heavy. Like after you eat, you hungry again because it's so heavy.
No, they are very strong that time. Na.
Huh?
People very strong.
What happened to you?
No, now change.
What happened to your back?
Before, all organic.
Talong. What you eat, tatay?
Sige, mag-shades ka tapos madilim, Francis. Wala kang nakikita. Naka-shades ako. Sabi ko, sige, wala ka nang natatanaw. Stevie Wonders ka dyan. I told you that's connected here. Yeah. Okay, close the door. Ano? No, they have password only. So, by concept no ng port or fort is siya yung nagiging area para makita yung buong lugar. And dun natin nakikita kung sasakupin ba sila ng kalaban, kung yun yung kahalagahan ng fort, 'di ba? Or minsan mahalaga yung fort kasi walang fifth pag walang fourth. First, second, third, fourth. Be, ito on the serious note, no? On the serious note, I dare you na when they say Pakistan, think of this place. Think of this place when they say Pakistan. This should be the face of Pakistan. This should be the memory that you remember pag sinabi nilang Pakistan. Ah, this one. Not the bad things. Like, it's okay to learn from the bad things, but let's focus on the good things. There's more to life than problems. And I know it's out of context na bigla ako nagdrama na ganito. Na you have to always look at the brighter side, to the better part of life. And that's what I'm asking you that's what I'm asking you right now, to think of this place when you hear Pakistan.
Dirham.
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 In rupees.
Or one.
Tell to mama.
Turmahik lakar yun.
Camera. Camera, ma'am.
Camera is there. Yeah.
Camera and speaker.
Tenudil sana mana?
And AI also.
Tasvir diyorsun, video diyorsun. Bana music, follow music too.
You can also say something like sometimes of like,
No, if you-
hey Meta, analyze this.
If you play music, you can play outside also.
No, only you.
Only me.
Okay, try. Patry mo sa akin. You can hear? Yeah, we can hear. Oh, we cannot hear.
Nothing.
Nothing, mama. But he play music.
Charut lah.
He play music.
You can do this to adjust the music. Other side.
Oh, see.
You can use like double tap to stop, up, down. Or like say Meta, next song. Next song na.
Nice.
Next song again.
Oh, see, you like it. No? Why did you? Nothing. Happy, mama, no? Happy music. Happy.
Jangan dulu kan?
Yeah. Babu.
What I like about it sometimes is you can do the AI like it's for like people with bad eyesight. So
Well
like
corrected?
no, you will ask, hey Meta, what am I looking at? Just like, you are looking at the wall, you are looking at the. It will describe what you're looking at.
Charut lah, mana?
You will hear music.
Charut lah, mana? Only charut lah. Siu dolo makan, siu midi meja.
You can hear music?
Music kan di.
Music?
Mana mana? Gamua.
Hi, say hi.
Say hi.
Who is this?
Adihan. It's
Why your camera is so bright?
Yes.
Maybe the setting, maybe.
It's not this camera, it's because of this one. So, magcha-cha... Ah? Brain fog ba? Nag-hagsap na. Ha? Magcha-cha muna kami. You like bayo-bayo also? Ah, sugar. Yung bayo guys, sabihin ng bayo sa kanila is salt. So, pag binabayo-bayo niya si ate, sabihin sinusalt niya si ate. Ate, kung ang meaning ng bayo ay salt, pag binabayo ka, sinusalt ka ba?
Minsan.
Sana all. Sarap. Kulang pa ako ng asukan. Chay. I like it when it's very sweet. Sabi nga nila, I like my man just like I like my tea. Sweet. Oh, wow. Ay, may biscuit pala ako dito. Sobrang tabis ka lang neto. You want sugar? Collector talaga ako ng asukal ng mga Serene.
Tea? You're saying tea? You're saying tea na. Tea.
Cheers. Ay, tapos ka na?
Gusto ko mainit pa eh, nainom ko. Pag malimig na, hindi ko na bet. Parang relasyon.
Ay, ako gusto ko yung cold na relationship. Yung parang hindi tayo nag-uusap.
Relasyon pa pa, no?
Gusto ko yung ganun. Do you have?
Bigyan mo na sa matanda.
Ay, no. Just like really one. I just want to wash the bottom. Gusto ko lang makuha yung, I just want to get the sugar.
Last drop of house, you know? Last time we fix everything there.
And then?
After fight. And then when you stand up, Allian, he said, it's Frank or it's true, it's real?
He's what?
Is this prank or... kasi
At the end, I said, it's a prank.
Really? Is it prank? Natawa ako na.
Guys, inabutan na kami ng bagyo. Tignan nyo, oh. Hindi nakikita yung bundok. Ang fear ko nito is yung daan pabalik. Kasi baka ma-road close na naman, guys. Pero naniniwala ko swerte ako. It will be okay.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it likes. Coffee's cold, but we take summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that.
So ito guys, total nandito naman na tayo. Diyan ako nakastay noon. Diyan ko nakilala si Mr. Right. Diyan, the infamous hotel.
Nalagpasan na natin.
Hindi, sa baba yun, no?
Okay,
Tama.
nagpasan
Hindi, dito ko nag-stay sa baba, guys. Pero dyan may hagdan dyan pababa eh. Sa likod nito eh. Tapos dito kami nagkakilala ni Mr. Right. Sa Tourist Information Center.
Wow.
Diyan niya ako kinausap lang talaga, in person na nasa vlog. Andiyan pa rin yung ano, oh. Yung motor na yan, na hindi inaalis.
Motor with the horn, mama.
Diba?
Tourist spot na rin nila
Tourist
yan.
destination kasi yan dito. Sabi, ay, dito nagkakilala si Francis at Mr. Right. So, gatit tanggal.
Move on na, move on.
Ano ba na ba? Ito yung dati guys, ito yung area natin sa unahan. Meron na yung doon dati. So, ito yung inaakyat ko to, naglalakad ako dito ako oh, it brings back memories. Tapos parang alam mo yung 6 years ago lang naman yun, pero pakiramdam ko sobrang tagal na. Nag-vlog ako dito. Ito?
Oo, yung sumayaw. Yung pinilit natin sa'yo.
Hi! How are you?
Ramla.
Cesar. So kaibigan ko lang si Cesar Flores. Para sa'yo yan, bro. Ito siya.
Chick ba, Franz?
Yatik ba? Yeah!
Menan bo?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah. Yeah. So ngayon guys, pauwi na kami. And yung sabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, swerte ako. So yung umulan, pagkasabi ko, biglang umatras yung ulan. Gumanda yung panahon. Wow,
Umaraw.
yes. So worry no more. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, 'di ba? Amor, mi amor, no te preocupes. Meaning, my love, don't worry. So, sobrang ganda ng lugar, like, oh my God! Ay, may ibang tao pala, I'm sorry. For the vlog lang, guys. May ibang tao pala, guys. Kala ko tayo lang. Sorry na.
Hindi naman si Bobo.
Ano yun? Kita pala sa kanila, guys. Ang ganda. Oh. Nahawa lang naman ako kay Babo kakasigaw eh. Wala na.
Nahagis.
Nahawa kasi ako. Ito itapon mo.
Uy!
Actually, ang napansin ko dito, guys, sa pamangkin ko, masyadong mahilig sa apple. Sabi ko, gusto mo apple? Oh, apple 17.
Huwag yan.
Di ba?
Apple. Kasi sabi lang,
Diba?
apple.
You like apple?
Apple.
Apple? Apple? Ayaw niya. Back to, ano ka? Oh, back to Bibo ka na lang.
Yar berum Fatman leke sagan yar gamu.
See there. There.
Ah, that is
Ito
that.
na.
Ayun pala sis yung nasira.
Ah, ayun. Kita ba? Kita nyo ba, guys? Ay, hindi nakita.
Doon talaga ang daanan. Ah, ginawa lang nila to.
Ah, okay. Ah, sa baba pala talaga dapat. Ay, yung kalsada. Oh my God.
Kita mo dyan?
Ayun, oh, yun, oh, kita. Kita, guys. Ayun.
Yan yung
Kita nyo?
daanan talaga.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Putol pala talaga. As in.
Sige, sabi sa'yo, roadblock talaga siya. Yes.
Yes.
Kaya pala may... Pinagalo ko na. That's why there's a truck that's
Nakita nyo ba, guys?
wasak talaga.
Putol siya.
Oh, lubog yung ilalim.
Biglang wala na.
Wala, empty yung ilalim. Ayun, oh, tingnan mo yung bahay na to, nawala. Oh. Nawala yung ano.
Bas.
Kalahati.
Ida. Kita kaliat tegan to la sire tiye shabe.
Ayan, Ben, dito tayo ngayon sa may Gilgit area. Katatapos lang namin lumampas ng Nagar. And kakain tayo dito ngayon ng kabli pulaw kasi ayun yung kinikrave ko. Sabi ko sa kanila, meron ba ditong pulaw? Tagal ko lang hindi ko makain ng pulaw ah. So, yun yung everyday food ko nung nandun ako sa Islamabad. So, shout out sa aking sister na si Kate Toretto. I miss you, be. So, anyway, pag-usapan natin pagkain kasi parang nakakawalang gana si Kate. Charot lang. So, ito guys, ang ganda ng area. Tignan nyo, may mga puno sila dito ng apple. Apple ba to? Peach. Bakit parang hindi siya peach?
Japani fruit.
No, Philippine. Oo, Philippine na lang guys. Tingnan mo, para siyang... Anong prutas to? Ganito yung kainan guys. So, thank you sa pagpunta sa venue talaga ha. Dito tayo sa labas? Okay. Kaya nyo yan? Okay, sa lalo ng mga tayo pala eh. Lalo ng mga puno.
Ay, tingnan mo, gusto niya. See, there's a playground.
Kaya gusto ko tong lugar to eh. Sabi ko makakatakbo talaga yung pamangking ko dito eh. Go! Takbo! Run! 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 Idiot! No! It's not egg! Stone! Rock! Sabi niya egg daw, egg. It's not egg. Oh, dali. Doon ka sa tatay mo. It's not egg, it's rock. No?
Half kg.
No, 2.
2 kg.
Yeah.
Too much.
No, 1 is for me only. I know, I always buy pulaw in Islamabad. 1 kg for me only. Sabi niya kasi 1 kg. No, a half? No! 2 kg.
1 for all of us, 1 for one.
Mo. Because we are tired and we are hungry. So, yeah.
What pulaw is that?
Kabli.
Too much, mama.
Yeah, that's why I want fish, pulao, chicken karay. I like chicken karay.
You can add them, no? Tapos yung soft drinks, pa-add mo na.
Sabi mo, babe, chicken karay na din. Chicken karay. You like chicken karay? No?
Pulao, I asked him pulao. How many he will eat? 2 kg chicken already pulao. And karai, why you after you throw the food?
No, we will not throw. We will take out.
Not allowed to take away.
Yung kami sit.
How much you live?
I always take out in Islamabad.
What different?
I'm foreigner. I'm Chinese. They will understand. They say, oh, Chinese. Because you're not cooking chicken karay eh. When will you cook chicken karay? I miss your chicken karay.
When I cook.
In your wedding, before your wedding, I remember that. It's very good.
In Gulsar area.
I remember that.
ये कौन सा मच्छी है? ये ट्राउट है इधर।
Fish.
Yes, fish be with you. Ang dami.
Two, you order two?
You said 2 kg, no?
Huh?
No kg pulao.
Hayaan mo na. It's okay. Okay. Shukriya. Pepsi?
Pepsi, Coke. Pepsi.
Pepsi.
बड़ा वाला है छोटा?
7
बड़ा वाला। ये बड़ा है।
You don't want raita?
Raita?
Raita.
You got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Raita.
Hey, Shima, what? Do one thing. Eat here together.
Yes.
Okay.
So, आप होगा? अब देखो ना मैं कैसे तो.
I'm not here.
No, I want here. Hindi tayo mahirapan. Oh. Sandok. Sige. Okay.
ये तो कैसे है? Share from here also.
Oh, here you.
I have here.
Pagyan kong fork, sis.
No, let's exchange. Hindi ka mahirapan. Lamit.
छापो किधर से ले रहा है चला
I told you he can finish that.
ये बुटा नहीं भाई कहाँ है?
Okay,
Fish.
let's eat.
Fish.
Yeah. Bismillah.
Fish. You want fish?
फिर इसको छाप डालनी नहीं चाहिए उनमें तेल डाल दी
Ito yung audition ko sa kanya para makita niya paano ako kumain.
Kami happy ko buo.
Raita. Ano ba yung lasa ng ano nila, bilano nila dito?
Pulao.
Ay, ng pulaw pala. Raita. Yung iba nga meron pa rin kasamang beans eh.
Wait, I will shred. Give me. I will shred for you.
Kaya natagalan. Kasi natagal ng isda. Ito isa i-take out ko to.
Ako yun.
Hindi ko to ano. Ilalaban ko to kahit hawak-hawakan ko na ng pauwi. Ayaw nyo. Buto lang naman to eh. Ginawa pa akong aso.
Gusto mo ba ito may naman ako?
Hindi na.
May isla ako eh.
Okay na, pwede naman. Isda din ako dalawa oh. Di ba? Sabi sa'yo eh.
Add pa tayo. Babe. Let's add.
Ha? Ilan mo yung adobo? Nice.
Ha? Di ba?
Yeah. Maybe no? Okay, once more pala.
If it takes a long time, no need.
Yeah, ask first.
ये भी चलना है क्या?
Gusto ko yung in-expect nilang Chinese tayo kaya binigay ng chopstick.
What do you want?
It will take time, Mom.
Oh, spicy, babu.
I think it will not take time kasi ready naman ang pulaw eh.
Just check it.
It took time because they gave us 2 kilos chicken.
और चावल का कितना टाइम लगेगा?
चावल रेडी है सर,
दे दो, एक और दे दो।
एक और ले आऊँ सही शायद
1 है?
आने चावल है मुझे बस
You?
No?
1 more ना
आओ एक
Kangat sili. Hindi. Hindi ko pa nakilala ang bango. Nice trout fish. Gusto ko sa isda nila dito. Okay sa akin yung ano eh. Yung seasoning nila, no? Parang tanggal yung lansa. Pagkasama ko, hindi man guys, ano eh. Hanggat may guys kumain, kakain tayo, hindi tayo magugutom.
Ayaw nito ng balat kasi.
Sino?
Balat ng isda. Hindi man gusto ko yung balat.
Ako din. Okay na ako. That's how I satisfy my cravings. I was able to eat rice,
Eat the spatula.
pulaw, and I was able to eat fish. Today is a very productive day.
So yesterday night.
And yesterday night.
Bago sila.
Sorry, hindi ako maalok. Kala ko self-service na kasi.
Yung taking me, George, you want to go? Kurkuk to work.
Ako kasi parang, gets nyo na yan? Self-service? Sorry, sanay ako sa Amerika self-service. Wow. Parang walang gana yung ate ko kumain.
I thought you're talking earlier. Pulaw. KG in pulaw.
Ayan guys, tapos na kami kumain ngayon. And siguro dito ka na tapos na itong ating video.
Kasi madilim.
So magkakita na lang tayo hanggang sa susunod na video, be. Huwag nyo kalimutan i-like tong video na to. Paki-share. Siyempre, follow nyo kami sa mga social media accounts at Francis Candy.
And Anaya Mujib.
So hanggang next time, be. Wala pa rin sa Pakistan. Bye-bye, Allah Hafiz, Kadafis.
Au revoir. Yes,
Call?
yes.
Bea.
Yes, yes.
Bea.
Bea.
This is back.
Yes, yes.
Check it. Just now you see this one.
Yay! Congrats sa 1 million views! Atras ka ng konti. Ayan, atras ka ng konti. Congrats sa 1 million views! Yay!
Ay, nakanerba na sa akin. This one. This video of Mama.
There's one more.
Mama and Papa.
شوف دماغي والياري خلي تبدا
At dahil sa magtsatsaa tayo, sagot ni ate. Yay!
Mabera ka mamaya.
Yay! Sabi ni Babu, yay!
only 2
Oh, 1 million.
Ayan ang hirap guys ng may tiyanak. Gabi na kasi, tingnan mo ito oh. Huy, ang tiyanak.
Gising pa yung tiyanak na.
Gising na ang tiyanak.
So 2 bayo, 3 chay. Sakar.
Sakar. Oh, init. Shagar.
Shagar?
Shakar.
Shakar.
Tanduay ay.
The milk not good.
Good.
You like?
Ha?
Mas masarap yung sa Serena.
Serena, you put too much sugar, that's why.
Yeah, I like more sugar.
I asked him less sugar here.
Don't worry, I have sugar. Gusto mo ba?
Si Francis po.
Sugar ba ka mo?
Si Francis po naunguha ng asukal sa mga hotel na pinupuntahan niya. Beware pag nakita niyo to sa hotel.
Hindi kasi. One for you.
Sugar, sugar. Abo sugar.
Sugar? Sugar? No?
No sugar.
Sugar, oh, sugar. Sakar.
No car.
Serena.
Sakar. Sakar. Dog.
Dog.
Daba. Ano, daba.